Okay, this is a strange one because over the last couple of weeks, what I've really been doing is trying to level up my knowledge in so many different areas. And those areas are things like meta ads, being able to do better Facebook ads, better Instagram ads, being able to do better YouTube ads, starting from almost from scratch on YouTube. Like, I realize how much of an incredible platform YouTube is and how underserved, but I knew nothing about setting up the ads there. So, I mean, I'd done a couple of boosted posts and that kind of stuff, but it's not the same as setting up the advertising. The big thing for me over the last couple of weeks is how I've been able to level up my knowledge quickly. And for that, I'm using NotebookLM. And NotebookLM, one of Google's AI programs, is insane for knowledge and increasing your research. So here's the way I use it. I'll start a new notebook and I'll literally put my search terms, what am I trying to research in, as my first topic. The great thing is that Notebook then goes, using Google search of course, and finds topics or relevant articles, blogs, YouTube videos that are about that particular topic. You go through and you say, yes, this is a good source, and you can add more and more sources. And then from there, you can literally interrogate that entire knowledge base to find the gems for you. So I'll do things like research this and then give me a detailed outline, a step-by-step system for implementing this in my own business. Or for when we were doing meta ads, myself and Kyle, our operations manager, we were walking through with Notebook and saying, okay, ask the questions about structure, ask the questions about ad layout and campaign management and all of those kind of things. And because you've got all of the knowledge constrained in that notebook, it makes it really super easy to get that working. The other thing is I grabbed a Notebook plugin from a promotion that does some really, really cool stuff. So it allows you to look on LinkedIn, for example, and add it to a notepad. Go straight from a URL that you're looking at, add it to a notepad. This kind of functionality, and then export those notepads in infographics and PDFs. Those kind of functionalities should be native in Google, but they're not. The lifetime deal on this plugin just gave me a great buzz to be able to grab it for a one-time fee, add it to my notebook, instantly gives that entire program a boost. So Notebook on its own, what a research tool, whatever it is that you want to learn about, how do you level up your skills and your knowledge? Using Notebook has completely accelerated that for me. I used to watch a lot of YouTubers. I used to read a lot of information. Now I can distill that down in seconds and find all of the information I'm looking for and deliver me a plan that I can then implement. And then throwing this plugin on top of that just really added some extra power. So again, there's a link below. You can grab the link to the Google plugin, but I highly recommend using NotebookLM as a research hub. Use it as a library. Add all of the different influencers, Facebook posts, information that you're getting about a particular subject, add that into the notebook, and then use the notebook to interrogate it and output incredible things that you can then use in your own business and marketing. So NotebookLM for the win, and the plugin that gives that a boost, just super cool, and you can get it for a one-time price. So awesome, hopefully it helps. I'm going to continue to level up. So for me, knowledge is something that changes my income in my life. I'm just going to make sure that I'm across it all the time, and hopefully this is helpful for you as well.